I invite officer trainees Anna Malai and Isha Pant to share their training experiences.
Honorable President of India, Sri Pranab Mukherjee, Director of National Police Academy, Sri V. N. Roy, other officers present here, good afternoon to you all. It's a unique honor for me that I'm standing here to present my experiences to you all as an IPS probationer. Like many young men and women of India, we all entered this service with dreams in our heart and a huge sense of idealism about trying to make our country a better place to live in. After joining the National Police Academy, named after one of our country's proudest son, Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, every passing day showed us how privileged and fortunate the select few we are and how enormous the responsibility that is being entrusted to us. People from different parts of India, from different walks of life, quickly gelled together and became an integral part of the 64th batch of regular recruit of the Indian Police Service. Our academy lays equal emphasis on developing the physical as well as the mental faculty of all of us. Our day starts at 5:15 a.m. when we proceed for our regular PT. This is followed by 4 hours of enriching indoor session where subjects like law, management, forensic science, forensic medicine are taught by our own in-house faculty as well as from people from outside. In the afternoon, we have another 3 hours of session that focuses on drill, swimming, horse riding, firing of different weaponry, tactics and other subjects. We also visited many parts of our country during our training. Visits to Rishikesh and Mussoorie for river rafting and rock climbing, election attachment to the state of Uttar Pradesh for learning the intricacies of election management, Gwalior and Indore to the BSF Academy for weapons training, and also visits in and around Hyderabad for our regular law and order duty. All of this had only added that extra bit of worldly wisdom to us. Sir, this batch has got a motto called Sensitize Police for Empowered Society, where many compulsory field activities are arranged within the state of Andhra Pradesh to sensitize us. We also had frequent seminars regarding child trafficking, visibly lost children, problems with respect to the vulnerable section, left-wing extremism, as well as terrorism. Sessions like Kulamanch, which is an open forum, as Director talked about, where anybody can add their opinion, Model Police Station, and prenatal talks are some of the unique additions of our batch. Different societies and clubs that are managed and run by the probationers themselves have only made our training interesting and enriching. Our batch has enormously benefited from this approach of holistic training, coupled with application-oriented training methodology. These are the first in NPS history. Lastly, sir, I would like to quote our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, who once memorably said, "To give pleasure to a single heart by a single act is better than 1,000 heads bowing in prayer," unquote. I'm very sure all of us realize the enormity of the job that is before us. In times to come, we'll be standing for the right of the last man when his or her voice is not heard, shouldering the oppressed when they are wronged, paragons of integrity and trustworthiness ourselves by our actions and deeds, and most importantly, standing for what is right and just, even when we are all alone. With these words, I would like to thank the Honorable President of India,